Lebanon, also called Soûr in Arabic, is one of the earliest Phoenician metropolises, as well as the legendary birthplace of Europa, her brothers Cadmus and Phoenix, as well as the founder of Carthage, Dido, which is also known as Elisar. It is also the fourth largest city in Lebanon after Beirut, Tripoli, and Sidon. Now, the modern town of Tyre consists of two sites. One of the old town on the headland and one of the necropolis on the continent. Right now we are at this site of the Tyre Necropolis, which consists of course of hundreds of marble and stone sarcophagi from the Phoenician and Byzantine eras. And then we're going to take a stroll by the Tyre Hippodrome. Now, according to legend, purple dye was invented in Tyre, and this great Phoenician city once ruled the seas and founded many prosperous colonies such as Carthage. However, its role significantly declined at the end of the Crusades. Tyre is also mentioned several times throughout the Bible. Now, Tyre succumbed to the attack of Alexander of Macedonia when he blocked the straits by dike, and it holds a connection in Jerusalem to the construction of the Temple of Solomon because of the material and the architects that was sent there by King Hiram of Tyre. So let's start our story. This is the Triumphal Arch of Tyre, which is one of the city's most impressive archaeological relics. Now, this arch stands over a long avenue, which has necropolis on either side, as well as sarcophagi dating as early as the 2nd century BCE. The Tyre Hippodrome is the largest, best preserved hippodrome in the world, even larger than the Circus Maximus in Rome. The Expositio, a description of the world written in the second half of the 4th century by an unknown writer about circuses in the Roman Empire, names the Tyre Hippodrome as one of the 5 best race courses in the Levant. The 280-meter long and the 90-meter wide horse-shaped like structure seated 20,000 spectators who gathered to watch the death-defying sport of chariot racing. Now, although primarily meant for chariot races, other kinds of sport also took place in the Hippodrome, and it is likely that some of the events of the Tyrrhene Games were also celebrated here.
While there seem to be lots of really nice boutique hotels and interesting places to stay in Tyre, we personally stayed at Dar Camellia. It's a boutique hotel that's a mix of Lebanese architecture and Moroccan. We enjoyed it quite a bit. Thanks for watching our video about Tyre Lebanon. We'll be putting out other travel content. We'll also put out other content about being digital nomads and how we make a living even as we're remote. And we're hoping that you find this content to be useful. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to The Remote Traveler.